Welcome to the show. Today, we're diving deep into a world that's moving from science fiction to reality: neurotechnology. Imagine unlocking the human brain's secrets, curing diseases, even boosting our abilities. The potential is breathtaking. But hold on, because with this incredible power comes a maze of ethical questions we urgently need to answer. At the very core of this is something called neurodata. Think of it as the digital footprint of your mind, your thoughts, your emotions, even your subconscious whispers. As brain-computer interfaces and other mind-reading tech get more advanced and accessible, we're generating vast amounts of this ultra-sensitive information. So, who owns your neurodata? How is it being collected, used, and, crucially, protected? The scary part? The potential for misuse is huge. We're talking about targeted advertising that knows your deepest desires before you do, or even more unsettling forms of surveillance and mental manipulation. Are you ready for that? This leads us to a concept called cognitive liberty. Essentially, it's your right to mental self-determination, the freedom to control your own thoughts and mental processes without anyone messing with them uninvited. But what happens when neurotechnology can not just read your mind, but also influence or even alter your brain activity? This shakes the very foundations of individual autonomy and free will. Could you be subtly coerced? Where does your mind end and the machine begin? How does this change who you are, your very identity, if your brain is linked to external tech? And here's another layer of complexity: the dual-use problem. Many of these amazing neurotechnologies are developed with the best intentions to treat depression, restore lost senses, or help people with paralysis. But these same tools could potentially be repurposed. Think about it: performance enhancement in jobs, giving some an unfair advantage, or even more troubling uses in areas like criminal justice. We need to be smart about this from the get-go. Recognizing these huge challenges, experts and international bodies like UNESCO are sounding the alarm. They're pushing for strong ethical guidelines and new rules. There is growing talk of neurorights, basically new human rights specifically designed to protect our mental privacy, our mental integrity, and our cognitive liberty. Do we need a Bill of Rights for our brains? So how do we innovate responsibly? It starts with transparency. We need to know exactly how our neurodata is being handled. There must be clear accountability. And most importantly, you, the individual, must be empowered with control over your own brain information. This means rock-solid data security and widespread public education, so everyone can understand these technologies and give truly informed consent. No one should be left in the dark. The journey into the future of neurotechnology is undeniably thrilling. It offers transformative possibilities for medicine and for what it means to be human. But, and it's a big but, we must walk this path with a profound sense of ethical responsibility. Striking the right balance between pushing the boundaries of innovation and fiercely safeguarding our most intimate data and our fundamental right to think freely, this is one of the defining challenges of our generation. This isn't just a debate for scientists or tech gurus. It's a societal conversation that needs every single one of us: researchers, policymakers, ethicists, and you. We need to work together to ensure these powerful advancements truly serve all of humanity, justly and equitably. What are your thoughts?